If you just bought the new Ring Wired Doorbell Pro 4K, you might be wondering how to install it, particularly because it's a hardwired product. The good news is installation is incredibly easy, even if you're new to working with wired security products.
I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets International, and I've probably installed more than a dozen video doorbells. I'll help you through the installation and give you a look at what all the parts and pieces are for, so you can go into your own installation feeling super confident. Let's get to it.
First thing to do is download the Ring app, which is going to walk you through the installation step by step. The instructions include helpful videos and pictorial guides, and I can confirm the app does a really good job at explaining it all, so even if you're new to this, it's definitely very doable. The first installation task will be to install the mini Chime speaker on your existing doorbell chime. Now, you don't have to do this if you already have either another Ring Chime or an Alexa speaker in your house, or if you don't mind just getting alerts to your phone, but this new little Chime device is handy, and it's the first time Ring has included one in the package. To use it, you need to make sure the power is off, of course. Remove the cover to your in-house chime, and you'll connect the two wires on the little Ring Chime speaker to the front and trans ports. The Chime speaker has tape on the back, so you can just stick it up outside your doorbell chime box when you're finished.
Just keep in mind that if you decide not to use the included Chime Kit Mini, you do still need to bypass your existing doorbell chime by connecting the front and trans wires together. And again, if you want me to send you more information about how to properly bypass the chime, hit me with an email and I will drop that right in your inbox. Just make sure to put Chime Bypass in the subject line. It may also be worth pointing out that if you install the mini Chime speaker incorrectly, or you skip it and you don't rewire your old chime box on your wall, the Ring doorbell may not function at all. That actually happened to me, and once I correctly wired the chime, everything worked great.
Next, it's time to install the doorbell. Remove your old doorbell, whether it's an older Ring model like I have here or an old-fashioned button. Decide whether you want to use the corner kit to improve the viewing angle, and then screw that corner bracket onto the wall or the door frame. Connect the wires into the ports or screws in the back of your new doorbell, and you may need to use the included forked wire extenders if your wiring is incredibly short like mine is. Lastly, tighten the hidden security screw to affix it to the mounting plate. And interestingly, the screw that secures the body to the plate is now a Phillips head screw instead of a Torx screw like in older models. And I struggled mightily with finding a screwdriver that would actually fit inside that narrow hole.
I ended up finding an old Ring screwdriver kicking around that worked, but this was a bit frustrating that it seems just a bit narrower than standard. If you don't have a good sized toolbox on hand at home, you might end up having to take a trip to the hardware store, which, if I'm being honest, is kind of frustrating.
With the wires connected, your doorbell should power on and boot up. Follow the steps to finish the setup in the Ring app by connecting to your home's Wi-Fi network. Now you're ready to use your doorbell.
And don't forget, Ring has full and detailed instructions in the app, and it's going to walk you through everything. So if there's a step I might have forgotten or something you missed, don't worry, because Ring has you covered. If you do want my detailed how-to information though, hit me with an email right here, right to my inbox. Ask for it and I'll send it to you personally. And if you want to find out the full details about whether owning a 4K video doorbell is actually worth the additional cost and the higher monthly fees, you definitely want to check out my full review, which is right here on the channel right now.